Okay, in our previous examples, we saw that we can try to catch different type of exception, but we can also raise exceptions during code execution. So in addition to handling exception, we can raise exception using the raise keyword. You may want to do this to enforce a certain condition in your code. Let's see an example. I will create a new Python file and name it, I think, exception demo. Okay, I will define a variable x if x is less than 0, raise value error x can be negative. Let's try to run our Python file. And yes, we can see value error x can't be negative. Handling errors and exceptions correctly is vital in creating robust and reliable Python programs. It allows you to anticipate possible issues and write code to handle these scenarios gracefully.